Hello, and welcome back to Speak Ready English. I am Jack, and this is day 2 of our 3-day mini challenge shadowing. Yesterday, you practiced 40 morning routine sentences. Today, we continue with your afternoon. Same method. I say each sentence twice. You listen first, then shadow me out loud. If you missed day 1, go back and watch it first. This challenge works best when you do all 3 days in order. Ready for day 2? Today, we focus on afternoon routine. Work time, lunch break, meetings, and everything you do until evening. 40 sentences. Listen, then repeat. Let us start. I start working at my desk at 9:30. I start working at my desk at 9:30. I open my inbox and start reading. I open my inbox and start reading. I reply to important messages. I reply to important messages. I write down what I need to finish. I write down what I need to finish. I join the team discussion at 10. I join the team discussion at 10. I take notes during the meeting. I take notes during the meeting. I discuss the project with my team. I discuss the project with my team. I share my ideas with my colleagues. I share my ideas with my colleagues. I stay busy with my tasks until lunch. I stay busy with my tasks until lunch. I feel focused and productive. I feel focused and productive. Your tongue is learning. Keep shadowing. It is 12:30. Time for lunch. It is 12:30. Time for lunch. I head to lunch with my teammates. I head to lunch with my teammates. I order a chicken sandwich and salad. I order a chicken sandwich and salad. I have lunch in the break room. I have lunch in the break room. I chat with my friends during lunch. I chat with my friends during lunch. I drink water to stay hydrated. I drink water to stay hydrated. I take a short walk after eating. I take a short walk after eating. I feel refreshed and ready to continue. I feel refreshed and ready to continue. I go back to my office at 1:15. I go back to my office at 1:15. I answer phone calls from clients. I answer phone calls from clients. You are halfway. This is your English growing. I schedule appointments for next week. I schedule appointments for next week. I prepare a report for my manager. I prepare a report for my manager. I review documents carefully. I review documents carefully. I send files to my team members. I send files to my team members. I take a coffee break at 3 o'clock. I take a coffee break at 3 o'clock. I make myself a cup of coffee. I make myself a cup of coffee. I have a cookie with my coffee. I have a cookie with my coffee. I feel a bit tired in the afternoon. I feel a bit tired in the afternoon. I stretch my legs and arms. I stretch my legs and arms. Almost there. Your English sounds natural now. I finish my tasks one by one. I finish my tasks one by one. I update my calendar for tomorrow. I update my calendar for tomorrow. I organize my desk before leaving. I organize my desk before leaving. I save all my work on the computer. I save all my work on the computer. I wave goodbye to everyone. I wave goodbye to everyone. I leave the office at 5:30. I leave the office at 5:30. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus to take me home. I wait for the bus to take me home. I get on the bus and sit down. I get on the bus and sit down. I arrive home at 6:15. I arrive home at 6:15. I feel happy to be home. I feel happy to be home. Incredible. 40 more sentences in your mouth. You are building real fluency. Congratulations. You just completed day 2. Tomorrow is day 3, the final day, and we will finish with your evening routine. Here is your challenge today. Use this sentence. I take a coffee break at blank. Write your time in the comments below. Your homework. Practice 5 sentences from today and 5 from yesterday. Mix them together. Make them yours. Thank you for staying with this challenge. If day 2 helped you, please subscribe and share this with a friend who is learning English. See you tomorrow for day 3, the final day of this challenge. Keep practicing. You are doing so well. Bye for now.